Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adyen for enterprise checkout on e-commerce stores, full guide step by step clearly. To install Adyen for enterprise checkout on your e-commerce store, begin by creating an Adyen account. Visit the Adyen website and click on Sign Up. Fill out the necessary details to create your business account. Once your account is created, log in to the Adyen customer area. Navigate to the Developers section in the left sidebar. Select API credentials to generate your API key. Click on Add API credential. Choose the appropriate permissions for your store. Save the generated API key for future use. Next, integrate the Adyen payment gateway into your e-commerce platform. Refer to the Adyen documentation for detailed integration instructions specific to your platform. For platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, install the Adyen plugin from the respective app marketplace. Follow the installation prompts to set up the plugin. Once installed, open the plugin settings to configure it. Enter the API key you saved earlier in the required field. Customize additional settings as needed, such as currency, payment methods, and checkout experience. After configuration, it's time to test the integration. Set your environment to test mode in the plugin settings. Make test transactions to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Review the transaction logs for any issues during testing. Once satisfied with the test results, switch the plugin settings to live mode. Monitor real transactions closely to ensure payments are processing as expected. Customize email notifications and other settings for order confirmations and updates. Regularly check for updates to the Adyen plugin or extension to maintain security and functionality. Consider advanced features like recurring payments or fraud prevention tools as needed. Review your payment analytics regularly in the Adyen dashboard. This will help you optimize your checkout process further. With everything set up, your e-commerce store is now ready for enterprise-level transactions using Adyen. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.